Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install RPR Mobile App step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your smartphone. Locate the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type RPR Mobile App, press the search button or hit enter. Browse the search results until you find the RPR Mobile App. Check that the developer is recognized and trusted. Tap on the app icon to open the apps page. On the app page, look for the Install or Get button. If prompted, enter your Apple ID or Google account password. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, find the app icon on your home screen. Tap on the RPR mobile app icon to open it. When the app launches, you may see a welcome screen. Follow any prompts to set up your account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you are a new user, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Fill in the required fields such as your name, email, and password. Review and accept any terms and conditions if prompted. After setting up, you may need to verify your email address. Check your email for a verification link and click it. Return to the app once your account is verified. Explore the app's features to get familiar with its interface. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.